that's the exception, not the rule, but this happens over and over again. I mean, there's companies that go, packaged goods companies such as Procter and Gamble and others that have lots of product brands that have application to other product categories like sunglasses or mops or whatever. And small businesses that came in with IP for cleaning solutions or better sunglasses or whatever got rights to those big brands. And then what happened is they immediately got into the stores, and suddenly this new branded cleaning product or sunglasses took off, and these businesses shot to tens of millions, doubled, tripled, quadrupled their sales. Well, this is the same thing that you can do with licensing, because you have to think about the fact that when you go out to these markets and license out, it's an opportunity for you to build fast, but also think about the idea of getting a license to build your business fast. And when you do that and you increase how quickly you build your business, you can literally go from zero to hero overnight.